In today's video, I will guide you through how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11. Jupyter Notebook is a free and open source web application that allows you to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and explanatory text. One of its most useful features is that you can write code in individual cells and run them independently without having to execute the entire script every time. To use Jupyter Notebook, we first need to download and install the Anaconda distribution, which comes with Jupyter Notebook pre-installed and makes the setup process much easier. So, let's get started. Open your browser and in Google, search for Anaconda Python. Then click on the first link, Download Anaconda Distribution. When you land on the Anaconda website, you'll see the download option on the right-hand side. Click on Skip Registration to continue without creating an account. Next, we'll download the Anaconda distribution installer. Scroll down and then click on the graphical installer link for Windows. The download will begin automatically. The installer file size is around 1.1 gigabytes, so depending on your internet speed, it may take a few minutes to complete the download. Alright. After the download is complete, right-click on the installer file and select Open. After a few seconds, the Anaconda setup wizard will appear. Click Next to continue. On the license agreement screen, click I agree to accept the terms and conditions. Next, under installation type, select all users and then click Next. For the installation location, you can leave it set to the default path and then click Next. Finally, click Install to begin the installation process. Anaconda will now be installed on your system, so you'll need to wait a few minutes until the setup is complete. Alright, once the installation is finished, click Next and then click Next again. Now, uncheck both options. Launch Anaconda Navigator and welcome to Anaconda, and then click Finish to close the setup wizard. Next, click on the Windows Start button and type Anaconda. You will see both Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda Prompt in the search results. Open Anaconda Prompt because we'll use it to launch Jupyter Notebook in the next step. When the Anaconda Prompt window appears, type the command Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. This command will start the Jupyter Notebook server on your system. If a prompt appears asking you to select an app to open this file, choose your preferred web browser and check the Always option. This will ensure that Jupyter Notebook always opens in your selected default browser. After that, the Jupyter Notebook interface will open in your browser. Now, let's navigate to the desktop by double-clicking on it. This is my Windows desktop, and here we'll create our first Jupyter Notebook file. Click on New, and then select Python 3. This will open a new notebook in a separate tab. First, let's give the notebook a file name by clicking on Untitled at the top and entering a name of your choice. Next, we'll run a simple print command to make sure everything is working correctly. Type a basic print statement in the first cell. To execute the code, you can press Ctrl+Enter on your keyboard or simply click the Run button, represented by the small play icon in the toolbar. As you can see, the output is displayed right below the cell, which means Jupyter Notebook is installed correctly and working perfectly on our system. I hope this video helped you install and set up Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.